In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your iPhone faster on iOS 18. So this also works on iOS 17 and 16. So with this, your iPhone can open or respond at the speed of light. You see that? So once you click on it, it's going to open the iPhone faster than expected. But if this feature is not enabled, this is how your iPhone is going to be opening. So it's going to take a while for your iPhone to open, and so this is not going to increase the speed of the iPhone. So basically here, I'm going to show you how to make your iPhone faster with just one single trick. So if I download this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to make your iPhone faster on iOS 18, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings, and on the settings page, just scroll down and come to accessibility. Under accessibility, scroll up here, click on motion. Then once you click on that, locate reduce motion. Reduce the motion of the user interface, including the parallax effort of icons. Then turn this on. Then once you turn this on, you should see the configuration comes up. Here you only have show vehicle motion cue, and here you have prefer crossfade transition, show vehicle motion cue. So this is a new feature that you can use to control or customize the reduce motion to increase your iPhone speed. Now without the prefer crossfade transition, if you scroll up, you see that? So this is going to really make your iPhone fast. Now turn on prefer crossfade transition. You see that? So this is going to add a new transition to the application on your iPhone, and it's going to make your iPhone really fast. So this is how you can turn on a single feature to make your iPhone faster than expected. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.